DS Industry is one of the largest manufacturers of car wash equipment in Russia. We have been assembling, upgrading and running car wash equipment for over 10 years, and in the last 2 years we have started 16 robotic touchless car washes in different cities. Today we would like to bring to your attention our in-house development, the DS360 robot. Let's take a look together at this unit and the popular Chinese model. Let's start with the wash base. Completely identical hot dip galvanized steel structures require the same amount of space for placement and time for installation. The shuttles are generally similar. With the DS360 model we use reinforced rollers up to 2 tons, which provide a smoother run. The location of the motors and drying systems on the units are the same, as well as the total power of the motors and the volume of air are the same. We give preference to the component parts that can be easily and quickly purchased in Russia, even in the face of sanctions. The side form feeding systems are different. We have developed a unique design with an adjustable tilt angle, which allows you to cover the entire car with chemistry in a quality manner. The washing consoles look practically the same. The exception is the material of the protective cover. In the DS360 model, it is made of stainless steel, while the Chinese model is made of plastic. There is also an additional nozzle in the DS360, which allows you to wash the blind spot under the spoiler to clean the rear end of crossovers and SUVs. The parking sensors look the same, but in the DS360 model we use more reliable devices for determining the position of the car, which have been shown to work well in humid conditions. The Chinese information board assists the customer when parking and shows the current programs, but does not allow to add functions outside of the standard set. In the DS360 set, the board is designed as a light box, with the possibility of adding an unlimited number of programs and individual design according to the customer's corporate style. In the bottom wash program at the DS360, water is supplied not only from below, but also there are also 2 vertical paths for better washing of the step rail and wheel rims. It is also possible to add a similar design in the Chinese version, while in the DS360 it is standard included. Reliable anti-vandal terminal designed in-house, supports all payment methods and is easy to connect to the loyalty program and mobile app. It is possible to display an electronic receipt with QR code. The terminal can be connected to any robotic installation by software maintenance. DS360 will be connected to it in the shortest possible time as they run on the same software. Let's go into the technical rooms. We are finalizing the Chinese control panel, changing the touch panel controller, adding control and data entry models, connecting a payment terminal to the robot, the ability to control gate and barrier automation. We take a number of measures to isolate the electrical components and joints from moisture ingress. We move the dry automation panels inside into the technical room in order to avoid the electronics being in the room of the base with the high humidity. The control panel of the DS360 robot already includes all the necessary elements, so it is easier to work with it. The wiring diagram of operation is clearer, and all necessary settings, such as adjusting the runtime of programs, can easily be made by the technician at the facility. The Chinese-made robotic touchless car wash software in the standard included delivery does not allow for the same fine-tuning of functions in wash programs. The software at the DS360 allows to implement any number of washing programs and individual wash scenarios. Operating time of each program, pauses, number of cycles, direction of console movement. The remote control makes it easy to operate the gate, the display system, the chemical dosing and water pressure settings. The owner can set up all processes without the intervention of the equipment manufacturer. Identical high-pressure cabinets. These are reliable motors from 11 to 18.5 kilowatts, pump and regulator. The chemical unit of the Chinese robot comprises a pump, 3 valves and 3 dosing units, that is 3 washing programs. We upgrade this system in order to connect additional functions such as a second form. We upgrade the system. Chemical unit of the DS360 is placed in a stainless steel casing, allowing easy access to the valves if necessary. The unit as standard includes 4 sets of valves and dosing units for 4 washing programs. These are proven European-made mechanical dosing systems. Water treatment and reverse osmosis systems are included as optional equipment on both units. On the DS360, the rings function without tricks works under high pressure, thus reducing wash times and the number of rinse cycles. DS360 robotic touchless car wash is the optimum decision for quickly setting up and starting your own automatic car wash. With the DS360 you save on setup and retrofitting of equipment and software. Save time and money for logistics and customs processes. Get a set with the most reliable component parts tested by us over the years. Have the opportunity to quickly order and receive receive additional parts and spares, get fast service and quick replacement of parts. You can easily change the composition of washing programs, get the opportunity to brand the terminal and the information board. We have designed the DA360 the way we have always wanted a car wash. To receive an individual offer, please submit a request on the website at dascarwash.ru or call us at 8 800 350 1581.